Welcome back. We have two given graphs. We're asked to write exponential function rule. Let's look at the first graph. It is a exponential growth because as x is increasing, the value of y is also increasing. The second one is exponential decay. As x is increasing, y is decreasing. All right, let's go back to the first one. We only have 2 points, but there are two valuable points. I'm going to write down these 2 points in the form of tables. Why? Because in the previous videos, I have showed you how to write rules by looking at the table. So we have 2 points. One is 0, 10. One is 1, 12. Whenever you say 0, 10, this tells us the y-intercept. As you can see here, 0, 10, this point is y-intercept. All right, remember to write exponential function. Our little house look like this. Y equals a times b to the x power, which means we need to figure out what is b, what is a. If you have a 0, 10, that is your y-intercept. So the first one we can plug in is a is 10. All right, let's put down a is 10. All right, next one, all we need to figure out b. What is b? You see here is x, here is y. That means it is a point. That means we can use this. 1 is for x, 12 is for y. That's the point. So we're going to put 1 here and put 12 here. Okay? B to the first power is still b. So it tells us 10 times b equals 12. Now it becomes a very simple one variable equation. Can we solve for b? Yes, we're going to divide by 10 each side. So it gives us b is 1.2. It's a little bit crowded here. That's okay. I'm going to erase this step and we say b is 1.2. Now, we have a, we have b. Are we able to write our function rule? Yes, we're going to say y is a times a is 10. B is 1.2 to the x power. This is our function rule. Okay, so same idea, but a different practice here. We're going to write for the second graph, exponential decay. Remember, after we finish writing, we'll have a is here, and b is here, and to the x power. This is a b, this is a. To write for a is really simple. All we need to look at is to look at our y-intercept. Y-intercept is right here. It says 0, 8. And this is our y-intercept. Therefore, we can go ahead and put a is 8. Once we get a, all we need to do is to figure out a b. We need 1 point. We have a point that says 1, 4. 1 is x. So put down here. 4 is y. Put down here. Now, we can erase our little boxes. And as you can see, b to the first power is still b. Okay? It tells us 8 times b is 4. So what is b? We're going to divide by 8, divided by 8 each side. It gives us b is 1/2. If you like, you can write down 0.5. Of course, you can write down 1/2, whichever you prefer. Okay? Now we got a b and we have a. Can we write our function rule? Function rule says, one more time, a times b to the x power. A is 8. That's a simple one. Once you see 0, 8, you put 8 here. Okay? B, you just figure out one step. You figure out, you plug in the point 1, 4. You figure out B is 0.5 or 1/2. Okay, you write down here. You write down 0.5. And then you want to look at it more beautiful, and you can put your parentheses here. I'm going to draw it closer to each other, okay? So 8 times, and I'm going to put a parenthesis, 0.5 to the x power. And we are done for the second graph. Happy learning!